Let us solve a question on cross price elasticity. The question is, the demand function for good A is given by, that is, quantity demanded of good A is equal to 100 minus twice the price of good A plus 0.2 times the income of the consumer plus 0.3 times the price of good B. Find the cross price elasticity of demand at when price of good A is 6, income of the consumer is 500 and price of the related good, rather the price of good B is 10. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay, so what we are being given, QA is equal to quantity demanded of good A is equal to 100 minus twice price of A plus 0.2 times the income plus 0.3 times the price of good B. Also we are being given the values, that is price of A is equal to 6, income is 500 and price of B is equal to 10. Okay, so let us first find out quantity demanded of good A at these values when price of A is equal to 6 and income is 500 and price of good B is 10. So QA will be equal to 100 minus twice the price of good A is 6 plus 0.2 times, let's write it here, 2 upon 10. Okay, 2 upon 10 times the income of the consumer is 500 plus, in place of 0.3 let us write 3 upon 10 times price of B is 10. Okay, so here this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, we are left with 100 minus 12 plus 100 plus 3, which is equal to, which in fact is equal to zah minus ba, this is 203 minus 12 is the arc, so this is 191. Okay, 191. Now what is cross price elasticity of demand? And that's denoted by N subscript C. Cross price elasticity of demand shows us how the demand of good A changes due to the change in the price of good B. Okay, and it is being shown mathematically, that is equal to the change in the quantity demanded of good A due to the change in the price of another good B times price of good B upon quantity demanded of good A. Okay, that means first we need to find out this del QA upon del PB, this derivative, that is the change in the quantity demanded of good A due to the change in the price of good B. That means we need to differentiate the given demand function with respect to PB. So since no P is involved in the first 2 or 3 terms, in the last term we have price of B, its derivative is 1, so we are left with 0.3, and 0.3 can be written as 3 upon 10 here. Okay, so we got this what we call this derivative, we calculated. Now cross price elasticity will be equal to, so we are del QA upon del PB is equal to 3 upon 10 times, what is the price of B? Price of B is being given us as 10 upon quantity demand of good A, which we calculated as 191. So 10 and 10 gets cancelled, we are left with 3 upon 191, which comes out to be, when you solve this, it will come out to be 0.0157, which is equal to 0.016. Okay, so this is the cross price elasticity of demand for good A. And if we want, and here we can see the two goods are substitutes of each other. Why? If the sign of the cross price elasticity of demand comes out to be positive, then the two goods are substitutes or competitive. These are the competitive goods. If the sign was negative, then the two goods would have been complementary goods. Okay, so in this case the two goods, good A and good B, these are the substitute goods, because the cross price elasticity of demand value came out to be positive. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.